welcome back to Simple Vegan Recipes. So today it's a little rainy and muggy outside, but I feel tropical. So we're gonna do a white bean hummus. So let's get started. So the recipe calls for 1 can of white beans, 1/4 of a teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 clove of garlic, 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame oil, 3 tablespoons of water. Now, for the canned beans, we're going to drain it and rinse it, and we're going to place all of those ingredients into the food processor, and then we're going to blend this until it is smooth and creamy. So, let's get started. Okay, so I'm all done with the white bean hummus. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of olive oil at the top. And what I do is that I usually have this white hummus with my lentil curls or my apple chips. Okay, so I've placed a little bit of olive oil in this white bean hummus. It looks really good. Okay, so we're all done with this simple vegan recipe. And as I always do, encourage you to give those simple vegan recipes a try. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So I'll see you next time on Simple Vegan Recipes. Bye for now.